Hi everyone, welcome to English Centre. Today, we're going to dive into two tricky tenses, the present perfect simple and the present perfect continuous. These tenses can be confusing, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll know when to use each one and avoid common mistakes. Let's start with the present perfect simple. You form the present perfect simple using have plus past participle or has plus past participle. For example, I have eaten or she has worked. We use this tense to talk about something that happened in the past, but we focus on the result in the present. Think about it as what's done rather than how long it's been happening. Let's look at some examples. I finished my homework. The homework is done. That's the result. She has lost her keys. The keys are lost. That's the important part, not how long they've been lost. Now let's talk about the present perfect continuous. To form the present perfect continuous, you need have or has, plus being plus verb with ing. For example, I have been studying, or she has been running. This tense is all about duration, how long something has been happening. We use it when we want to focus on the action or activity that started in the past and is still continuing, or has recently stopped. Let's have a look at some examples. I've been working on this project for hours. The focus is on how long you've been working. They've been living here since 2015. We care about the duration, not just the result. So how do you know when to use present perfect simple or continuous? Here's the trick. If you care about the result, use the simple tense. If you care about the duration or process, use the continuous tense. Let's see some examples. I've painted the room. Result: the room is painted. It's finished. I've been painting the room all day. Duration focuses on how long you've been painting. She's written 3 emails today. We care about the result. The emails are done. She's been writing emails since morning. We care about the duration. She's still in the process of writing. To wrap up, remember, use present perfect simple to highlight the result. Use present perfect continuous to emphasize the duration. Now that you know the difference, you'll be able to choose the right tense with confidence. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more grammar tips and practice. See you next time.